is something that we desperately need today, especially in the era of the first trillionaire, because we have billionaires, trillionaires who are exploiting the earth and who care about nothing other than making more money regardless of the consequences, and who are not only responsible for exploiting human beings, but exploiting all of the resources of the earth to the extent that environmental exploitation is so bad that there may not be in the future an earth available to humans or animals or plants.